Sonic. We're going for another riding meditation in the morning. Finally, we got some sun out. The sun is out, the portal to the divine, the prevalence and the enigma of the mystery of the sun. The sun is actually a portal, and the stars are portals in the firmament, in the sky as well. We are all star. We are all star. So you should feel special about yourself, you know? You should feel special because you are a star, I'm a star. And we're here to enjoy, embrace every moment of life. Feels good, isn't it? Feels good, you guys. After watching the video, I want you guys to hop on your bike, go for a riding meditation, go to your favorite spot, enjoy the scenery, enjoy the energy, the vibes. What other things to do in the morning? Go for an amazing joyride. Sun is out means the fun is out. We are gonna have some fun, do a little cruising. I'm on the GSXR 1000. I'll tell you what, this bike it's so fast. It's like the throttle is so sensitive. Look. This bike definitely put a big smile on my face every time. Every time, baby. Ooh. It feels so amazing to be out. So amazing. Yes. 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 Oh yeah. Wow. Feels so good to be alive. Feels so good. And you know, I gotta start the channel with a inspirational message. See, the message for today is to stay strong. Stay strong. Stay vigilant. And stay grateful, you know? Try to find things that you're grateful about. Every day, look for things that you're grateful about and embracing that, you know what I mean? Because if you dwell in the higher frequency state of mind, you will manifest your future more efficiently. Yeah. warmed up yet. This bike is a little bit rusty when it's cold. When it's in like the engine is cold, but when the engine warms up, it runs profoundly good. It runs amazing once it's warm up. Oh man, this thing rips. But when it's cold, it kind of like, I feel like it's losing power a little bit when it's cold. Also, it vibrates a lot. I can't get over this quick shifter. Quick shifter is amazing. around the spring area. This area, the air, the air is so much fresher. You can actually feel it. Whew. I gotta breathe it in. Feels good. Feels good. Wow, the atmosphere is so much like cooler too. Yeah, it's like so much cooler and like we gotta do the breathing exercises, you know, breathing practices where you take like 16 deep breaths. Houses out here are like outrageous. They have like a massive amount of land. It looks great. A lot of grass mowing though. Mow all the grass and stuff. Man, the grass are tall. Look at all these trees. Sheesh. You gotta clean all that tree up, all that grass, all the leaves and stuff. There's people that live in that too. People live in trailer parks and stuff. Hey.
Hi there, how can we help you?
I was wondering if I could go in and just walk around.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll let you know the sidewalk, it's not as shaded as the